Dear valued watcher of this video, Geojam, Gem, gets listed on KuCoin as a world premiere. What is Geojam? KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to the trading platform. Geojam, Gem, will be available on KuCoin and supporting trading pair are Gem USDT and Gem ETH. Geojam is a social economy where artists, creators and fans can generate value for experiencing moments together. Gem is the utility token of the Geojam platform, trusted by A-listed celebrities. It redefines the existing 100 billion plus creator economy by creating a 360 100-degree cycle between creators and their fans to earn together like never before. Gem provides tools for community governance through a fun and interactive user experience. Every creator has their own microeconomy and will use Gem to create proposals, vote on them, reward users for providing quality content to the ecosystem, and redeeming products, merch, NFTs, and exclusive once-in-a-lifetime experiences in the Gem shop. All links in description, subscribe for the latest news every day, and we are happy to help. With best regards, the ALTCOINERZ team.